Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, I don't know about you guys, but I kind of feel like now it is getting a bit too much for me in the Bagamayeni. I don't want to lie, you guys. One of the things we're going to be seeing on tonight's episode is that, right, the wives are meeting up to discuss about Umselegu's what. Oh, and then we hear umayeni saying uthi leyo buthi abangastresswa angihlangene nazo. I just felt like that was a bit rude-ish to say, you guys. I think it's one thing, to be mad and speak anyhow about your husband on the diary session or when you're with him, it's okay. But I kind of feel like it kind of disrespects other people in a sense if you want to speak in that type of way in front of other wives. Maybe disrespect is not really the right word, but I just kind of feel like it's just, I don't appreciate it in a sense. But you can see ukuthi hayibo the wives there ukuthi they just like, hey, asizusho lutho because asifuna ukuzingena. Umbali is quiet there, uMakhumalo is quiet there, uMatsele looks like she wants to roll her eyes or whatnot, but we see uMatsele, or according to the trailer, uMatsele says which I think seqala ukungidina ke manje le ndaba. That time, guys, uMatsele, uThobile and uMangwabe are wearing dukes on their head because akithi bayahloni, like they trying to be respectful. Ayibo unokugeli umayeni, she's the only one not wearing a duke there. I'm just like, girl, did you not get the memo? I think for the fact that the three are wearing dukes, guys, it should mean something which in their minds there's something going on in terms of the fact that we are meeting as the wives in this particular house. We're trying to be respectful in a sense. Mayena akazingeni, guys, akazingeni, and I'm just like, nah, guys, I just feel, I get it, Ubuti, her and her man are not fine. I get it, and as I'm saying, Uti, I think it's fine for her to speak anyhow on her diary sessions or if she's speaking with her friends. But now she's sitting with Musa's other wives, you guys, and I don't think it's fair to be speaking of someone in that I don't know how to even explain it, but I just feel like it's a bit too much. It's a bit too much, guys, and yes, singahleka, but I'm just like, no, man, there's a different way of saying Wuti, like, you are not, or just keep quiet, let them talk whatever they want to talk and just keep quiet. But this one of saying ukuthi mina le ndaba yokuthi angastresswa angizingeni, like, I just feel like it's a bit insensitive knowing ukuthi Musa is in hospital like that, you guys. So meaning ukuthi we're not going to see, or at least in my head, that means ukuthi uMayan is not even thinking indaba yokubuya now that indoda iyagula. She's not thinking of attending umcimbi wakwaMselegu when he comes back. I don't even know if that 50th birthday celebration, if she will even be part of it. But anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Anyway, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.